To the winter garden, guys. As I was telling you about our January thaw. Well, here we are, January the 11th, and it's I think it's about 8 degrees Celsius, so it's about like 40 Fahrenheit or so for the American friends. And I've cracked it open to see what's happened here, and pleased. Spinach is doing well. Some of the lettuces are doing okay. See those round leaves. And then, of course, the Cimarron is holding its own. It's not dead, but it's been scaled back. It's some brutal temperatures. Give you an idea what kind of temperatures we had at minus 29 Celsius, which is about 20 below Fahrenheit, and then compounded with a wind chill factor of minus 45 Celsius, which is about 43 below Fahrenheit. And you can quickly see how amazing this really is. So, as I said in a previous video, I was going to do a thermometer look-see. So I'm going to place this thermometer in the garden, probably between these two plants. I'm going to leave that lid on as an extra protective cap in the event that something happens and this all fails, because we do get deer on here, believe it or not, standing right on top of it, trying to scratch through it. I guess they know that there's vegetables under there. Mind you, they're not exactly booming. So I've been at this. You saw the videos in November when I just kind of broadcast the seed, and you can see the results. I could throw a little snow in there, and I probably will, just give a little bit of moisture. But other than that, I don't see the real need for much, because in the winter, you don't get much growth, so you don't require a lot of water, and you certainly don't need fertilizers. Now, you guys are probably wondering what those holes are in the ground. Well, they were my cat. Earlier in the year, she walked right through here. So, again, we go to that beautiful thermometer, and I'll bring you inside, and I'll show you the other part, and we'll get a reading on this. And I'm going to leave the top off for now, because I'm going to throw some snow in there after and get a little moisture in there. Alright, so we're going to take a break and go inside. Okay, we're continuing filming. I'm just testing the equipment before we get going. I hate to have that under the tarp and it freezes and it's not working properly. We get a reading here at 20 degrees, I don't believe. I think it's picking up another one. But we'll see. Still struggling to locate it. If I bring it up to the window, nothing yet. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it is dropping, because it was 19 something whenever I had it in the sun. So there it goes. So this is going to conclude this video, and that's the update, and we'll keep you posted on the temperatures when we get below zero. We're going to have a very cold weather front move in. Lots and lots of cold air. Well, as you can see now, the temperature is dropping. And you can see there, I'm throwing some snow in the garden just before I close it up, just to add a little moisture in there. Don't want much. Yep, I am right now, Joda. My son is cutting wood in the back, and he's asking me if I'm recording. We're working together. Alright, I'm going to put this lid down, and I'll finish up the video, because I've been long-winded and all that other stuff. Okay, everyone. Well, there you have it, folks. It's already sealed. It's clear at the top, and it's going to, the sun's going to come out at some point and hit that. But I think we're going to get a huge snowstorm that's coming, and it's going to bury it and insulate it. And I'll brush it off when the weather warms up a little bit. But during those nights where we get down to 20 below Fahrenheit and stuff like that, I'm just going to leave it covered. As you can see, no real damage done to the garden. It's going to be fine come spring. I hope, I'm pretty winded because this is a hard one to do, guys. I'm hoping you enjoyed it, and I'm going to keep you monitored. I'm going to add another video this weekend, whenever the temperatures do plunge into the horrendous zone. And I'll show you videos of the snowstorm that we're going to get. It's going to be epic in proportion. So, I hope I haven't oversold it. But anyway, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this segment on the winter garden, and we're going to keep you updated. Just with temperatures and stuff. We're not going to peel this all off until sometime in March, I think. Alright, Rob out for now. Take care, everybody, and thank you for watching and subscribing.